Engineered to support mammography, upright, and decubitus breast biopsy, the medical positioning UltraMamm 452 provides the flexibility and versatility needed by clinicians while safely supporting the patient, leading to optimal results. The MPI UltraMamm offers a unique combination of ergonomic, industry-leading features, including a patient weight capacity of 500 pounds, ensuring continuity of care for a broader range of patient populations. AC and battery power combine to ensure seamless patient positioning. The included durable hand control is used to adjust the height, Fowler, calf section, and Trendelenburg. In addition, the hand control features programmable memory positioning and a safety lock. All electric features are fully supported and operational with AC power or while using the optional battery power. When not in use, the power cord conveniently stores on the base of the UltraMamm with the included cleat. Battery for the UltraMamm is located beneath the tray and can be charged by connecting the product to AC power. 22 to 38-inch height adjustment, ideal for patient entry and clinician ergonomics, is infinitely adjustable with the included hand control. An optional integrated foot control for height adjustment located at the base of the table can be used for needed positioning changes in a sterile environment. 0 to 15-degree adjustable Trendelenburg positioning quickly restores blood pressure should the patient become hypotensive. 0 to 90-degree adjustable Fowler positioning, and 0 to 83-degree calf positioning, coupled with the included non-slip footrest and large patient transport handle, creates the ideal environment for patient consult, transport, and upright procedures. Controlled independently or simultaneously utilizing included memory positions, the UltraMamm effortlessly transitions between the table and chair platform to suit all department and patient needs. Memory positioning is easily programmed by pressing and holding the M memory button and the desired position button for 3 seconds until an audible beep confirms registration. When adjusted, the position can be restored by pressing and holding the program button. Memory positions can be reprogrammed as often as desired. Padded, adjustable armrests are easily removed and added as needed. Designed to support both upright and decubitus positioning, the UltraMamm 452 easily transitions from a seated position to a supine platform. With the addition of the padded, adjustable back support, the adjustment of the headrest, and access provided for both equipment and the clinician, the UltraMamm creates a safe and supported environment for decubitus biopsy. The hand control safety lock can be activated at any time to prevent unintentional platform movements during the procedure. The UltraMamm is complete with central locking casters, allowing for maximum maneuverability. Controlled in the center of the base, engaging the pedal to lock limits movements from all casters. The unlock feature allows all casters to move freely, ideal for small adjustments. Steer locks both front casters while keeping the back casters free to swivel. This, combined with the large transport handle, improves long-distance travel. For any questions, demonstrations, or feedback, please contact your MPI representative.